Hello and welcome to another year of exciting Mystery Quilt. We're so excited to release another set of weekly files to you for over the next 5 weeks. I wanted to show you a quick video on how to access your weekly files because number one, our website looks a little bit different. And number two, this might be your first year joining us. And we want you to easily be able to access your files each Monday morning for the next 5 weeks. So if you just go to our website, hoopsisters.com, which you can see I have pulled up here, and then all you're going to do is sign in. And once that pops up, I'm actually going to type in my email address and password associated with your account, sign in, and then immediately it's going to take you to your order histories. So it's going to take you right where you need to go. And you'll see my first order here at the top is where I'm going to see the newest orders. So if you order things after you've ordered Mystery Quilt, you're going to start seeing your newer items at the top. So it's the last thing I've put in my cart. So it's the first thing that shows up. I'm going to go ahead and click on order number, and then it's going to pop this up. And as you can see here over the image, there's a little down arrow, and we're going to download this. So we're going to click that down arrow right there. And then we're going to see all of the files that are currently associated with this product. So right now, the only things in there are the fabric and thread key. We have an info sheet, and then your profile picture that you can use on social media is in there too. And then Monday, May 17th, depending on when you watch this video, you will see week 1 added to this list. And then you're going to do these exact same steps every single week throughout Mystery Quilt. And each Monday morning, you will see a new set of files. So it'll start with week 1, then you'll see week 2, week 3, week 4, and all the way to week 5. We're going to have 5 weeks total. But each week, you're going to follow those exact same steps and you will see the new files. We do add the files to the product, not the individual person. So if you're not seeing it in there, you probably didn't follow these exact steps or hit that arrow to go down. So just make sure you hit that down arrow and it'll take you into access your files. And then once you click on these, they'll just download to your computer and you will be good to go. So we hope this is helpful, and we can't wait to show you the new weeks of the Mystery Quilt as we go along. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.